What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua Trey Lord himself come to you live, guys. And we're about to get into it. Um got some catching up to do, got some new trades that took place and went well, right? And then we had a couple boo-boos, right? So I'm gonna go for the boo-boo, which is this pair right here. Um yeah, this pair, USD CAD. This is a play. You're risking $200 to make $100. You had that 1 hour con, currently. And then yeah, well, it was more like a 4 hour break of structure. That's right. Because we had this 4 hour break of structure over here. And then we had this pull back here. This is where the entry is. Then we had this weird situation where it came up to here. It would have been close to my entry. This is not entry, by the way. It didn't tag me in over here. I would have been done at this play. But if you look at the fine print of things, we did not hit that green line, and I did not get my entry. So it was valid to say this thing was still going. We got shot up here, and this is entry, actual entry right here. Then we shot all the way up, and I was like, "Damn! I just got these 3 wins." So back in, this is this is our week so far. We had the beginning of the week. We had the 2 losses, right? Right. That's just the beginning of the week. What was these? Yeah, yeah. This is the beginning. So yeah, we had these, right? And then we had um which is the this pair right here. And we had GBP USD. We took this loss right here, and that was this. And actually what it could have would have basically win. But then we took this one, risk 200 here to make 200. We risk 200 here to make 200. So we made this back, basically. Right? Made that back. And then we also made a play on AUD USD too. And we got that solidly on the first one. And that was this play right here. And then so we had that 200 and that was the Blue Jay. These are 2 Blue Jay wins. And then we had a this one too as well, but I'm gonna go over that. This is something that I took. This is this trade right here, but I got out really early because didn't feel like taking that full loss. And then it came down. So I don't get back in. Technically, I can, but I don't get back in because if this thing goes up, and I'll lose double. So you got once I'm out, I'm out. So I just gotta watch now this play. That's basically it. This thing 4 hour, waiting for a 4 hour break of structure, and then all this will be a line, and then boom, without look to get entry, right? Well, this is a 4 hour play, so I'm doing this 4 hour play on my other account, which is the Funded Pips 25, 25K challenge that we're currently up right now. Pretty good. Um, and I do not do that play on my live account. So this play, GBP USD, actually, this is the play right here. We risked $25 to make $50 on this one. Reason so, we were waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. We got that 4 hour break of structure over here, the 2 count formation. This is the high. This is the candle that broke the structure. Once we get that candle that broke the structure, I go to the 1 hour, wait for a pullback to that 23. We had a gap pull up. We had a gap, and so it was price. This price ended, and then this price started right here, came down. So that's entry. Well, not my entry. This that lets you know the play is valid to take. And this is my entry. This is my stop loss, and this is my TP. Right. This time we're going the right way, risking $25 to make $50. Why? Because we had 4 of these mini wins in a row. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is all the way back here. 4, and then we had that big win. So big win, and then the 4 mini wins. That's when you go in for the kill, and we look for that big win. And if we gotta get a proper big win, it's to hit this level, not come back to the 0 point, and go straight down to the negative 78.6, right? And that would be the big win, valid big win. And that would be us hitting our $50 target. And if we lose that one, we'd all risk $50 to make $100. If we lose that one, we'd all risk 100 to make 200. We'd all make all our money back, like regardless. As long as we win within the 4, right? So let's get it. But that's GBP USD for that pair. USD CHF is the pair that we took place and we won this setup right here today. And this was that mini win after that 2 big wins in a row. Right? 1 big win, irrelevant, and then another big win. Irrelevant. And then we had this mini win right here. It's beautiful. And now we're looking to do a let's see where we at right now. So we have this on what's going on the 1 hour. So 908. 900. We did not surpass this level over here. So it's currently still down structure on the 1 hour, but this thing could break structure, and then we gotta wait for a break structure up. So while it breaks structure, that's give us entry on this play, and you gotta wait for a break structure back down. So we'll see. We'll see what we get here. But this is a 4-hour structure play. But we're technically waiting for. Well, we just thought chill out. We're not chilling out because we are next play. We'd all be risking 100 to make $50, and we'd all lose that 100. It's all good. We'd all do the 200, right? Risk the 200 to make the 100 go to back, and then do it again. But that's what's going on in that pair. This pair just did a nice continuation again. And this was a pair that I was thinking about taking the 4 hour, and thank God I didn't. That would have been a loss. It would have been close to TP, and then boom, lost. So 4 hour broke structure, did a deep pullback here, a deep pullback here. How many deep pullbacks did y'all do? Right? Not that many. So that 4 hour break structure is coming. Speaking from experience, right? So if that 4 hour breaker structure is coming, and I know it's coming. Yeah. So this is now the new low for the 4 hour, and a new low for the daily too. But the daily doesn't change. If we go to the daily chart, breaker structure is still that breaker structure because we don't got no new 2 candle formation. So this is still the new breaker structure on the daily. But 4 hour can't say the same to that. We have this low, and then we have the new 2 candle formation that was bullish here. And to the right, that's the highest point. So, boom. Now we have this 976. right? And this is a play that I can play now on NZD USD. And now when we hit that 50 could be entry. TP is the break of structure, stop loss a little below the continuation. So that's a 4 hour strategy play that I would take on my challenge accounts. I do not take on here. We're only taking Robin and Blue Jays. But yeah, I'll wait for that pullback, nice pullback. And this is a play that I could play too as well. If this breaker structure continuation, kind of take a continuation we did. Yeah, about 50% continuation. Fair enough to take this play too. It is fair enough to take that play too. Gotta watch my risk on the 4 hour account. So what's this high? 693. Boom. All right. So we got some options. Same thing here. We had a nice. Well, it wasn't that. Definitely wasn't 50. But yeah, we're waiting for this 4 hour structure to break, and then same thing we were waiting for here, risking waiting for that 4 hour structure to break to make the risk that 200 to make 100. So this is like dormant trading a little bit, then risking 100 to make $50 here. We're just chilling. USD JPY. This is actually a 4 hour strategy play I took. We had to break out continuation, deep back, pull back continuation, boom. And yeah, we'll see what we get. And then the reason why I took this one too, we're close to the daily 4 hour, the daily structure break, right? So I saw that. And I was like, okay, if anything, to start break that 4 hour structure, if he wants to not break right away and just go right back up a little bit, play around, that's the direction. That's the direction we're looking to go. So why not take that setup? That's a nice setup to take. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin looks like it did a continuation, a 1 hour continuation, no 1 hour breaks yet. Nice continuation too. So now this is now the new low. Last two confirmation is here. So this is the high from that low, right? And that's how simple it is to read market structure. And you're still waiting for that 1 hour market structure break. Farther it goes down. Oh, this is actual. We have something here. So we have 4 hour. We're waiting for that 4 hour breaker structure. We got that 4 hour breaker structure. This is the candle that broke structure. We go to the 1 hour now. And this will catch up to the play, right? So this is the candle that disrupted the structure right there. So from that's the new high. So point A was the two confirmation is bullish, and that is the lowest point. Point A, point B, and that's what I'm looking at right now. Pay attention, guys. This is what I'm looking at right now, and then it made this low right here. Now my objective now to see what this candle did first. Did it hit here first or hit here first? So in order to do that, we've got to go do some detective work. We got to see that. All right, see the time mirrors on the clock here. So I'm gonna wait mine, and so it'll be 16 o'clock right there. Go to the 5 minute. I want to look for 16 o'clock on my clock there, and here it is. This is the opening candle. That's the high, and then we have what happened after that. This happened first. So now that tells me I can go back on the 1 hour now. That this is the proper play. This is the proper play. Boom. And then I'll measure this from here. And 5:43. Then we have that. And I'll extend it here. Remember, we're chilling out. Key words, two key words in front of that. We'll wait for 4 hour breaker structure. We're chilling the fuck out. Reason why we're chilling the fuck out, we had our big win and our 2 mini wins here. Now we gotta see if I get 2 more mini wins and then we go in for a right way approach, or I'll wait for the big win and then we go do the wrong way approach again, risking more than what we're gaining, right? That's all I'm doing, back and forth on all these pairs. So now what we're doing here, since we have it set up, we're chilling. Let's see what wait to see what it's all do. And that's the greatest thing, right? NZD CAD, right? This is a trade setup that I'm actually in, and actually in a loss on the funded pips challenge. So I'll probably take this L, and then I'll catch the next one, and I'll risk 2% to make 2%, right? To make that loss back. So that's what I'm gonna do in the next play. All right. I can set alert here. I'm gonna do all right. Boom. I love setting alerts, man. So Euro USD, waiting for that 4 hour break of structure, which we're currently getting right now. And there we at. There we have it, guys. We're back on this pair now. So I just went over the whole charts and what we're doing right now. This is the current balance, and we're just chilling, right? But yeah, that's just about it, guys. Not much going on, really. But let's see what we get, guys. Let's see what we get. All right. But that was video 27. Hope you enjoy. And until next time.